to Idiomatics. I am as happy as a clam hosting this show. My name is Helen.
Pavarotti is a tenor. Paganini was a composer.
Okay, so he's got this music and he's got it out in the water and he's listening to it on his headsets and he's just happy as a clam.
This idiom, as happy as a clam, traces its origin back to the 1830s and 40s in the northeastern states of the United States of America. General Lee was said to have used the phrase as happy as a clam at high water in those tempestuous times. High tide is when clams are free from the attentions of predators.
Happy as a clam, it means to be extremely pleased and content.
I was as happy as a clam when we won the match.
From the title, you obviously know this series will focus on idioms. We will also be taking you through some of the rather weird events that led to the adoption of these idioms. Sumptuous, I tell you. First things first though, what is an idiom? An idiom is a figurative statement which is quite different from the literal meaning of the individual word content. If I say it's been raining cats and dogs since morning, what literally comes to mind is a picture of boisterous cats and dogs flying through the skies. Imagine, you see a flash of lightning through your room window, hear the rumbling of thunder, and you step out your door only to see cats and dogs dropping everywhere from the sky. Scary, right? What is the idiom saying? It is raining heavily, unusually. This is a very common idiom. Idioms are mostly metaphoric in meaning, a meaning different from the literal expression, so an idiom is figurative. It is excellent spice for speeches. We use them in almost every conversation, but do we really know their root or evolved meanings?
I'm as happy as a clam because today is my graduation.
On Idiomatics, we shall examine some common and not so common ones. We shall discuss some very interesting examples, catch some of their origins and meanings, and may even dare sometimes to delve into some controversies attached to and or surrounding some of these idioms. Now tell me, how many idioms were used in today's episode? Aha, I caught you there, right? I'm sure you weren't expecting to get a quiz. Send us a mail. Our mail address is on the screen. Subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.